Now, welcome to this video. So, we're going to see in this video, I'm going to see how you can reset your MiFi. So, this is the MiFi dashboard. To access this dashboard, you just need to type in the IP 192.168.0.1. So, when you get to this dashboard now, this is the front page you will see. Then head over to settings. First of all, let us click on this wireless settings here. The wireless settings here, you will see the Wi-Fi settings. This is the password. This password there under wireless settings, when you click it, you can click it and change. When you change it, you click save. Immediately that is done, the this dashboard will log out and you will now have to input the new password. So, but we are not changing the password of this of the MiFi through this dashboard. Rather, we are going to see how we can reset it rather. So to reset it, you scroll down and click on router management. Dashboard there, click on router management. So you have two instances, you have reboot, you have restore. You can just click restore factory settings, it will take you to how it was before. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi it has gone up, it has resetted. So we have now rebooted the MiFi. When you see here, you see it has completely logged out. It's no longer here. My Wi-Fi is no longer connected. So we'll now wait for it to connect back. So as you can see, it is now connecting back now. As it's connecting now, it will connect with the default password that came with the MiFi. So let's wait for it to connect. So if we click connect now, it will not connect because it will request for the password. So can connect to network, as you can see. So as you can see, it's now requesting for the security key. Security key, you find it is usually at the back of the MiFi. When you remove the battery, you will see it there. So we've already copied the password down for this. So we go and just copy it. Copy it and paste it. As you can see, it's now connected now. The default password is not connected. So we now reload this. As you can see, the thing is now back after we've completely restored it to factory settings. So if you click here now, Just the username and password is usually just admin for both the username and passwords, and then you click and sign in. When you scroll down to file settings, you will see that the password there has changed. This is the router settings. To reboot it, you can reboot router here, but nothing much fee. Restore it to factory settings. That's the way you can reset your Wi-Fi, your Airtel Wi-Fi, MiFi. So thank you for watching. I hope this video has been of great help to you. So that's how you can reset your Airtel MiFi. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Thank you.